Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue channel. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to make some reflecting mirrors inside Filmora. As you can see here, I have one video inside the importing track. So now let's get started. First, we're gonna drag the video to the timeline that you want to do and select the resolution that you want to really import to the site. So now we're gonna click here and I have one video solution. And the next step, we're gonna click on the video, right click on that and select on copy, press Ctrl C to copy that and then paste it here and press Ctrl V. And here is the video that we have to the same video just inside the track. Now drag it to the above of the other ones, and now we have two are completely the same video. But to make it for reflections, you're gonna click on the first one here. Click on first one, double click on that, and you will see the transform. Click here and choose the rotation here. So click on that, and the video will be convert to the horizontal rotation. So click on that, and you will see on the screen is appearing like this, and then click OK. And the next one, we're gonna drag it to anywhere, any place that you think. You can choose it the both between all of these things. So, and you can also drag it to like this. And you can adjust it by your own self to make it completely working or not. And you should be focused on the building. And yes, I think you guys understand, and it will gonna be works fine here. So it looks like something that is reflecting now, but it's still okay. Now I'm gonna drag it some more down like this. And you can see here we already have on reflections. Now we're gonna play the video what is happening now. So now you can see the video, the road and everything is look like a mirror now, but it's not yet very good to be viewed. So now we have to edit some more steps. Now I'm gonna drag it to this one and drag it more like this to the first one here, and shrink it to be shorter. And this one is we're gonna talk about the starting of the video. So it look like it is starting like that, and then it coming the next is to be reflecting like this. So now we're gonna add some effects here. Now we're gonna choose some chromatic chroma here, so add it to this place here, to this place, and now we're gonna try it to be more shorter. And now let's check it in again. Okay, now it is a earthquake now. And the next step we're gonna add one more step is double click on that. Oh sorry, find one more effect that's called a mask. It should be image mask here or shape mask here. So now I'm gonna drag it to the first one of this place, and you can even add the below one if you want. It is the same way of doing this. And now I double click on that, and this time we're gonna choose the video effect here. So go ahead and scroll down and find the shape that you really want to do with that. Okay, now I'm gonna use this shape here. So now click on that. When you click on that, you will see something that double click on that, you will see something that help black here like this. So now we're gonna change the blacks to make it something that look like it's completely smooth and fit to all. And now scroll down more and you will see feather here, so drag it to 100%. And now we're gonna drag it to this place. And you can also even doing the same with the first one. So now double click on that and find the video shape here and choose just one of them, and then we're gonna make something that look like the first one. We have to do it. Okay, oh, this one here. So now we're gonna check out this one here. Okay, if we only once doing that, so I think now we're gonna start to play it again. And what is something look like now? And you can see here the earthquake is appearing, and the reflection is appearing just inside this. So I hope you guys understand, and you will be subscribe my channel. So thank you.